Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, step by step, I'll show you the way how to make this letter portrait using a Procreate. Let's get started. Step 1. In my case, it's a letter A. Then you size it the way you want it. Add the picture you like. Bring the opacity down. In my case, it's about 70%. Make sure that a layer with the picture placed above the layer with the letter. Then you choose Clip and Mask. Duplicate the inserted image one more time. Now, using the tools, we're going to cut the part of the image, the second image, that stays not within the frame of the letter A. After that, copy and paste. Make sure that the new layer stays above other layers. You bring the opacity back to normal, to 100%. And as a final step, I'm changing the background. And here we go, we are done. If you found this video helpful and you learned something new, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and check out my other videos. Thank you and have a good one.